Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this tutorial guys, we will learn how to convert any video file on other format online without using any software. I am going to show you. So please guys, watch this video till end very carefully. So for this guys, just you need to open any web browser on your PC, laptop or your phone, and here in the Google you want to search cloud converter like this. After this guys, here you need to open the first link of this, and here you can get this type of interface guys, as you can see. And here you can get the tools option, just extend this, and here you can get the option video converter. Just you need to select that option. Okay, and now guys, here you need to select your file type. Just extend this. So my video file type was mp4, and go to the top, and here you can get the option select file. Just tap on it and select your video file like this. And after uploading the file guys, just extend this convert to, and from here you can also able to change that video file. Not only in video format guys, you can easily convert that video file to another format. So just I will select the mp4 and just click on convert. That's it. So the process will start guys, as you can see. So now guys, here you want to wait for few minutes guys till the process was completed. So after the file was converted guys, you can get this type of interface. Now as you can see, here you can get one download option. If you want to download, just click on the download option. The video file will download it on your device. So guys, this is the very nice and very easy method to convert any video file online without using any software. So that's it for today guys. The short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.